I will be looking at the PowerCube. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the PowerCube by a company called Allocacoc, a cube-shaped power socket with USB ports. They sent this out for me to review. You can pick this up online for $25 and I have the link in the description below. Let's take a look. The PowerCube comes in a variety of colors: blue, green, gray, light pink, Tiffany blue. This comes with 4 sockets and 2 USB ports. This will allow you to better utilize your sockets with no more messy cords and efficient use of the plugs. The 2 USB ports provide 2.1 amps for charging. All this in a compact cube-shaped design. It came in this little plastic packaging. First impressions of the cube is that it's solid and it's well built. You can see the 2 USB ports and the 4 sockets all around. If you have more than one cube, they can be stacked together. You can see the branding here on the side. It also has a reset for the fuse on the bottom. It is really convenient to have the USB ports available, since there are plenty of devices these days that require charging. Here are just a couple sample views on how you can utilize the PowerCube. The PowerCube, a great device that can change the way you use your outlets. It provides you with multiple outlets and USB ports in a small cube form factor. It's a good design and well built. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.